September is Family Meals Month and highlights the importance of gathering around the table with your family for a good meal.
Yeah, and if you found yourself cooking even more at home these days, you may be in search for some new recipes. That's where our friends at Spartan Nash Family Fare come in. Take a look. Well, September is Family Meals Month, but I think we'll call it Family Fare Meals Month because the folks at Family Fare have everything you need for the family meal planning, whether it's that quick lunch, that great dinner, or turning this bowl of goodness into this delicious cookie. Yeah, we're gonna leave dessert out? No way, it's coming too. Deanna and Brooke have the recipes for you here.
Michigan, Brooke and Deanna here from Family Fare. Deanna is actually our registered dietitian, and she has come up with some wonderful fall recipes for us to show you today. And Deanna, these all have to do with Family Meals Month, right?
Yes, so September is National Family Meals Month, and it celebrates the benefits of cooking at home together as a family and eating together as a family have to offer. You know, family meals look a little different now. Either they're virtual or at home more often, so it's important now than ever to stay strong with family meals. So we're gonna showcase some delicious and nutritious recipes.
Awesome. Yeah, and we know that families that eat meals together tend to be happier and also have better relationships. So with that in mind, we'll jump into the first recipe. We are going to be making turkey feta meatballs. So the first step is going to be mixing in 1 pound of ground turkey. So I like Jenny O's ground turkey. And then you're going to mix in about half a cup of feta. Recipes are really just kind of a guide. So just adjust based on what your family likes. So you do a half a cup of feta, and then we've added in about a tablespoon of basil, a tablespoon of parsley, and then half a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. So once it's well mended like this, you're going to just take them, roll them into about a golf ball size, and it should make about 8 to 10 on a sheet. You're gonna put them on a baking sheet just like this. It just depends how big or small you make them.
Oh, those look so good. And turkey is great because it's a high quality lean protein source.
Once you have covered your entire tray, you're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how your oven heats up. And then once they're done, they will come out and look just like this. Turkey meatballs are great, versatile products. You can put them with just about anything. You can do spaghetti squash with, you know, marinara sauce on top, or you can do your other fall vegetables like zucchini or butternut squash too. Perfect ingredient. What's next, Deanna?
So now we're gonna make some white chicken chili. So I have the chicken already in here, and if you want more of a vegetarian chili, you can go ahead and add quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, and it's gonna soak up the liquid in the chili and give it a nice meaty taste. And then I'm gonna add about 2 cups of chicken broth. And as you can see, the quinoa is gonna soak up that liquid. And then we're gonna add our vegetables. So I got onions, jalapeno, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, just to give it a nice kick. And then I have some celery from the Fresh Divide, already chopped up for me. Let's see if we can get this open. There you go.
Get those muscles out.
Yeah. Then we have some mushrooms, and as you can see, we try to stick to like the white theme to make it look like a white chili. And then I'm gonna add some radishes, so about a cup of sliced radishes. And then you can add some our family frozen corn. That's really simple to add. And then the last ingredient I'm gonna add is cannellini beans. Cannellini beans are a Mediterranean bean, and they're very creamy. And beans are so good for you because they have a special fiber in there that our gut absolutely loves. And 70% of our immune system is in our gut, so eating high fiber foods like cannellini beans are actually gonna make our immune system stronger because our guts are gonna be healthier. And so when you send your kids back to school, make sure they have a lot of high fiber foods like beans to keep them really strong and healthy. And beans are also very high in iron and antioxidants. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 hours.
I love that.
Yes.
So now you can just freeze that and use that for what, later in the week?
Yep, you
month?
can use it, like freeze it for up to 3 months. You can eat it as a dip. You can puree it as a bean burrito. And then after it sits for about 5 hours, you're gonna add some Our Family Greek yogurt. And this is just gonna thicken it up a little bit. And Greek yogurt is just another healthy ingredient that we like to add.
What a great tip.
Yes, and then finished product will look something like this. So now we're gonna finish off the meal with something sweet. Chocolate chip cookies, a family favorite. So here I have the ingredients already in the bowl. We have Quaker oats, chocolate chips, Jif peanut butter, a mashed banana, some vanilla extract, and some brown sugar. And so I'm just gonna stir these up and mix all the ingredients together. I use the banana to decrease some of the sugar that would be in a normal chocolate chip cookie. And then I used the oats to make it more of a whole grain cookie. So your kids are gonna think they're so lucky when they can have one of these for breakfast.
Awesome. So we hope that you enjoyed all of these great fall recipes and got you ready for another month of family meals together.
Yeah.
So you can find all of these recipes on shopfamilyfare.com, and on the homepage you'll see a Family Meals Month tile you can click on and find all these great recipes and more.
I'll take some of that chili on a day like today,
Ooh,
right?
exactly.
Remember to check out those recipes and more. Just head to shopfamilyfare.com.